Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Capital.com. Want to start trading on Capital.com? Simply go ahead and download the Capital.com application on your mobile device and launch open your Capital.com app. Once you have the application opened up, click on Create an Account. Now, you can open up a free account using one of these options. You can easily use Apple option, Google or Facebook option. If you want to sign up with email, tap the Continue with Email button. On the next page, type in a valid email address that you have access to in the email tab. After you do that, head over to the password field and type down a password, including these criteria to keep it secure and strong. Finally, tap on the Continue button. On the next page, select your country of residence, nationality, and place of birth. Select if you will deposit and withdraw from the country of residence. If you are not US resident for tax purposes, check on this next box and finally tap Continue. After you do that, you will then be able to create an account. The next step is to verify your account quickly. While verifying, you'll need to fill in your personal details and a valid identity document for verification. Click on Get Started and follow through the prompts. Finally, after you do that, you will then be able to create an account. You can now explore trading opportunities worldwide. If you want to practice risk-free trading, you can also go ahead and use the demo feature for now to practice trading without taking any risks. And that's it. You've learned how you can sign up for Capital.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Trading for Beginners for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.